Hey guys, this is Andrew and Dustin with Pride. Today we're going to be showing you the Zone 1 exercise, the Superman. So what you're going to do first is you're going to hop down onto the ground and you're going to get into a prone position. You're going to have the arms up in front of you. And what you're going to be doing is lifting your left arm and your right leg. You're going to be inhaling as you bring those up and holding it for about 10 seconds or as long as you can without raising your heart rate. And you will exhale as you come back down, and you will alternate the arm and leg that you're lifting, breathing in, and you want to raise them to about the same height, and exhale as they come back down. And bring them back upward, holding that for about 5 to 10 seconds. So in this case, Dustin, you'd want to bring that leg a little lower, just so you're at the same height as the arm. There we go, right about there. And exhaling as it comes down. And again, you want to shoot for about 10-second holds, but there's no rule about how long exactly you need to do this. Just inhaling as the muscles come up, as the arm and legs come up, and exhaling as they come back down. One way that you can change it a little bit is that you can bring a Swiss ball into this, and you can just set it right under your torso. This does take a little bit more core stability, so don't do this if you're not finding a ton of stability in yourself. And same thing, you just want to bring them outward and inhale as they come up and exhale as they come down. And go ahead and show what an overextension of the spine would look like. So if you're looking way up, lifting the chest up way too much, or kicking the foot up way too high so your lower back is lifting, that's not what you're going to want to do. But that is that, guys. Give this a try, and we'll see you next time.